Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys for coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you are highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the bell on in case of any video, any update, you will be the first person to notify. Yes, my wonderful people, I don't see come back again with another gist that I want to talk about Victoria S Nollywood actress, my people, because that lady her own just dey her body. I don't know why she dey already attack any write up, or if you talk about single mom. I remember some months ago wey Nollywood actress Etiosa, wey she still post her pregnancy put for social media. Now so this lady Victoria, now so she still attack that lady. I don't know why she dey already I don't know why she get problem with anybody. If you write anything single mom put for any social media, she dey already attack all those kind people. Like this lady now, my people, when I just dey see so, her name na Sandra Iyowa, fourth baby mama to Ubi Franklin. In case you don't know who is Ubi Franklin, is a Nigeria blogger. My people, what did this lady write? I don't see any offense. Now she just write am to inspire a lot of single mom had there, because there's a lot of single mom which they are doing great more than this husband and wife, all in the name I want to be Mrs. This Sandra, she come right say, my dear single mom and baby mamas alike, it is not by dressing up every other day and slaying on social media just to be seen as doing well, or like Nigeria favorite world classic. My friend, will you get to work and be useful not only to yourself but to the child children you brought into this world? My people, now wetin she write be that one. She come still write again say, if you collect child support every month, put that money to good use by starting up something, even it is small, because that money stop someday. If you do not receive 1 cent from the father of your child, find something to do. I know someone who is single mom, but her priority in this life is to take picture and post on IG. I do not know if she is trying to pepper the father of her child or children, but sister, the real coming up is to level up financial. Step on the door's neck and elevate. You cannot be slaying on the ground with $500 in your bank account. My people, now be waiting she write, because I don't see anything bad waiting she write in this her post. Because wetin she write now to inspire a lot of single mom that they can do well without the father of their children. Now so Sandra just sorry guys, Victoria, now she just attack her. I don't know why she already the form of doing that thing, my people, because everybody get the right to write wetin he or she wan write for social media, because social media does not belong to one person. It belong to everybody, my people. Victoria, she come reply her. He say, my dear Sandra, as you started single mom and a baby mama, make it very clear that you are actually advising yourself. Bear in mind that most single moms are widows who are distraught at the sudden loss of her husband. Other single mom also fall into a category where they had to leave their marriage before they get killed, die from domestic violence abuse. Pick your category and shit there. After all, the father of your child did not even date you did not even date you, were not had plan of marriage with you. Attack your core and do not generalize with your uniform bias mind. Be a single mom does not warrant your arrant rant. What do you do again? Na be wetin she reply to that post wey Sandra write put for her Instagram, my people. Like wetin Sandra write, my people, she no just referring to one person, because wetin I see on that post, my people, she write it to inspire a lot of single mom out there, because some single heart mom there na just to lavish the benefit wey government dey give them, because she advise them say, with that money they can start a little, even maybe they are not even receiving they are not receiving any child support from the father of their child. With 1 cent, they can use it to start from somewhere. My people, na good thing. A lot of single mom, as I talked before, they are doing great, my people. Next time that come still reply her, come reply Victoria. He say, are you mentally okay? Do not talk shit. You do not know I am definitely not the one. Go find who to play this your artist with. I am definitely not the one. Do not play with me. I be waiting. Sandra tell reply Victoria, my people. This Victoria, my people, anytime they post something about single mom, she already like to interfere, they refer to other people. I don't know why she get that problem. She herself na single mom. Even say she be single mom, everybody get the right whether to stay with the father of their baby or not, because they say na person wey wear shoe na know where the pain dey. She herself, Sandra, she come still reply Victoria. For sometimes she come write say, stop claiming domestic violence advocate. Your ex-husband did not beat you. Stop lying so people can have pity on you. You are one sick human being. Jog on government property. Now be waiting she come write say reply Victoria. My people, this life everybody can decide whether to remain or single or to stay with their husband. Some people there are some other single women, mamas had here. They choose to be single, maybe one thing or the other, wetin they pass through with their father of their children, or maybe one thing or the other. If person remain single, e no mean say maybe that is the end of the world. The world still continue, the life still continue, my people. Like this Victoria, she's form of doing that kind of thing. Anytime you posted something about single man, she always feel that you are referring to her. Even as Etinosa that time when she posted her pregnancy, now so this woman still come out, this Victoria, now so she come attack that lady. He say, where is the father of the baby? She talk many things, say you don't see join their group, you don't see join their gang. If person born, you know, show the father of the baby, that one is her own cup of tea. Maybe the person know the reason why she no want show the father of the baby. The important is say, so there are some women today, why they go for IVF without the father, without a husband. They just want to have their baby, have their children. Like all those kind of people now, person come say na single mom, she just decide to be single mom. That kind of person, they decide to be single mom. If person decide to be single mom or whatever, now waiting at church, now waiting they maybe that kind of people, maybe that thing they give the joy to be single mom. I don't know why she already attack people like that here and there. Anytime they posted something of a single mom, she always feel that they are referring to her. Haba. If she get problem, make she go solve her problem. And she herself, this Victoria, she dey UK for there. Definitely, I know say she dey receive benefit. Anytime person talk of benefit, single mom, she always come and attack all those kind of people, and which is very bad of her. Anybody get the right to write whatever he or she want to write on social media. The owner of social media self, they don't even talk of the owner of social media, they don't even talk anything. But some of all those our Nigerians, if you write something put for social media, they feel that you are referring to them. Fear conscience, fear no accusation. I don't know why some people just anything when you write put for social media, they already take it that you are referring to them. A lot of people, they are form of doing that kind of thing. Like this Victoria, so the same thing wey she see they do. If you just write something put for social media, any single mom, or you are referring to single mom, or maybe you are advising them that they can do more better, she will just come out, come they attack all those people, which is so bad, and so bad of her, and so pathetic, my people. For her, she's a grown-up adult. It doesn't mean that if person writes something on social media, that it means that person is referring to her. Well, my people, let me leave you guys. What do you think? Leave your comment in the comment section down below. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Please guys, don't forget to like, share, and leave your comment in the comment section down below. Bye bye.